How to buy Matic on Metamask. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can buy Matic on Metamask. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. This is quite simple. You just have to go into your Metamask. Probably this is gonna ask for my password, so just have a little patience on it. And now that you're into your Metamask homepage, you must tap in the upper part where is the Ethereum main network, because you must add a new network. The network where we're going to be able to buy Matic tokens is in Polygon mainnet. This is it. So I'm going to click on it. I'm going to approve. I'm going to switch to that network right now. And as you can see, there is my Matic token. So all you have to do is click on it. There you have like the instructions, the graphic and its price. And now at the bottom of my screen, there's a button that says buy. So I'm going to tap there, buy. I'm going to get started. I'm going to select my region first. I'm going to continue. And because of my region, I have two different payment options: Google Pay or debit or credit card. Once I've selected the payment method, let's suppose it's debit or credit card, I must continue with the amount I want to buy. So let's suppose it's going to be just in my currency, the COP. I want to spend this amount. I'm going to tap on done. I'm going to get the quotes because probably there's going to be a fee in order to buy my Matic. Yes, so as you can see, the best price is with MoonPay, or also I can pay with Ramp. So I'm gonna obtain new quotes in just a few seconds because the price is gonna change every few seconds, and this is gonna change every 20 seconds. So if I want to continue with MoonPay, I must tap there and to complete the process. Okay, that's basically how it works. There's another option in case you would like to do it. I'm going back by now because I'm not interested in buying Matic right now. But you can buy those Matic tokens also in OKX app. This is also a wallet where you can trade and you can swap some other tokens. So I'm gonna let you know, for instance, that we are perhaps interested in convert some USDT, it could be. So I'm going to select the USDT into Matic. So I'm going to look for that token and you just have to swap. You have to convert your USDT into Matic. Let's suppose I would like to convert 100 USDT. So I'm going to obtain this amount of Matic. And once you have converted your tokens, I'm going back. You must go into your assets. In the top part of your screen, there's an overview and funding. We're going into funding. And there's where you must select your Matic. I have not a crypto, so that's why it's empty. But once you have selected your Matic, you must tap on withdraw. And you must send this into the address wallet of Metamask. So basically, I'm not going to be able to continue with the process, but remember that in Metamask, you get the option here when you select Matic to receive in this part, and there's the address that you must copy and to paste in OKX in order to send those Matics into your Metamask wallet. And that's how it works. There you have two different ways in order to buy Matic on Metamask. Thanks for watching.